The Swan Building is home to the Manufacturing Engineering program as well as the Manufacturing Technology program here at Ferris State University. Here, there are tons of different machines and workspaces for the students to use, one of which is our CNC 5-axis mill.
Here you can see we're going to change the tool from a 1/2 inch end mill to a 3/8 inch end mill. The tool is going to flip down, the arm's going to grab it, and it's going to switch the tool inside the spindle. So here you can see the parts inside the rough stock inside of our CAD CAM system. We use CATIA here at Ferris. I'm going to go into the tool path here. There you can see all the tool path that we use to cut the part out of the stock. For video purposes, we decided not to use coolant just so you guys can see all of the cutting action taking place. So here's the rough part before it got machined. The first little part where the rectangle goes around it, that's just to make sure that our block is positioned correctly inside the machine. And now we are taking off all 4 corners of the material so that we can go faster around the part and rough it out. Now that both of these corners are off, we can start to rough the part on this side a little bit more, and then we'll transition to the other side of the part and take off those 2 corners. And once those 2 corners are off, we can start grounding the part full speed. So here you can see we're doing a finish pass. The roughing leaves not the best finish, so we slow our spindle speed down and our feed down a little bit so we get a nice, beautiful looking finish on the part.
This is only one of the many advanced machines that set Ferris apart from other schools.